The 2027 Buick Envista is doing something the competition simply cannot match, delivering a genuinely upscale crossover experience with a starting price of just $26,500. If you've been shopping the premium crossover segment and keep walking away because every option worth owning is priced well out of reach, the Envista is built specifically to solve that problem. Most people assume a Buick badge automatically means an expensive sticker, but this subcompact SUV is coming in under $30,000 while delivering the kind of coupe-like styling and refined interior quality you'd normally expect from vehicles costing $10,000 more. Coupe silhouette that stands out? Walk up to the Envista and the roofline is the first thing that registers. That sweeping, fastback style silhouette isn't typical for a vehicle at this price point. It's the kind of design language you'd normally expect from something costing considerably more. The front end carries a sharp shark nose look. Aggressively angled LED headlamps sit above a wide, low-set grille, and the flowing side profile adds a coupe-like stance that's hard to ignore. At 182.6 inches in total length, the Envista occupies a comfortable spot in the segment. The wheelbase extends to 106.3 inches, a key factor in why the interior ends up offering more passenger room than the proportions would suggest. The sloping rear does trim cargo volume slightly, but that's a trade-off most buyers are willing to accept. Most subcompact crossovers at this price point look exactly like what they are, entry-level vehicles with nothing particularly distinctive to say. Trim levels are changing that conversation here. The base preferred rides on 17-inch aluminum wheels. Step up to sport touring and you're getting 18-inch gloss black aluminum wheels with a distinctive black mesh grille. At the top, the Avenir brings 19-inch pearl nickel finish wheels and a black ice chrome grille, details that push this crossover well past what the price tag normally implies. Then there's the Studio Series package, exclusive to the sport touring trim. This combination bundles white sand ceramic exterior paint with 19-inch gloss black wheels, a power moonroof, and an ebony interior featuring whisper beige stitching. It's the most visually striking version of the Envista available, and no rival at this price is currently matching it. But a great-looking exterior means very little if the cabin feels cheap the moment you sit down, and that's exactly where things get interesting. Luxurious interior. A lot of buyers are going to get surprised the moment they take a seat. The Envista's cabin is designed and appointed well above what the starting price would lead anyone to expect. Materials feel considered, surfaces finish cleanly, and the layout carries the kind of quiet, understated elegance Buick has been chasing for years. The dashboard centers on a large single-glass panel integrating an 8-inch digital driver display and an 11-inch infotainment touchscreen. The look is seamless. No awkward bezels, no cheap plastic seams. Physical buttons handle climate control below that panel, which is a practical decision that improves daily usability in a real way. Anyone who has spent time in small crossovers knows the feeling well. You get in the back seat and immediately feel like an afterthought, knees pressed forward, head brushing the ceiling. No real sense that anyone considered adult passengers. The Envista is handling that differently. Rear legroom measures 38.7 inches, a competitive figure for the class. The coupe roofline does shave rear headroom slightly compared to boxier alternatives, but 4 adults will fit comfortably in real-world conditions. The sense of space inside consistently exceeds what the exterior dimensions would suggest. Buyers who move up to the Avenir are going to find the experience stepping up noticeably. Perforated leather-appointed heated front seats, a heated flat-bottom steering wheel, and an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat come standard at that tier. Cargo capacity sits at 20.7 cubic feet with the rear seats up, expanding to a useful 42.0 cubic feet with them folded flat. The sloping roofline does put the Envista behind more upright competitors in total volume. For most everyday needs, the numbers work well. The interior is impressive, but it raises a fair question. Does the technology under all that premium styling actually hold up? Or does Buick cut corners where most buyers won't immediately notice? Technology and safety. Every 2027 Buick Envista will be arriving with the Buick Driver Confidence Package as standard equipment. That suite covers automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, forward collision alert, and following distance indicator. Lane keep assist with lane departure. Warning and IntelliBeam automatic high beams are included too. Rear park assist is standard across all trims as well, along with a rear view camera, electronic stability control, and a full airbag array covering front, side, and curtain positions. One frustration that comes up constantly with vehicles in this class is is the moment you climb in, pull out your phone, and spend the next 30 seconds hunting for the right cable while the car's already in motion. That's exactly the kind of friction the Envista is eliminating. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard on every trim. The phone connects automatically. 4 USB ports are distributed across both rows, 1 Type-A and 3 Type-C. Wi-Fi hotspot capability, OnStar services, and teen driver monitoring are also on board. Then there's a detail that doesn't get mentioned enough at this price level. Long stretches behind the wheel in a small crossover can get tiring. Road noise creeps in, the engine hums, and the cabin starts to feel more economy than anything else. The Envista addresses that directly with quiet tuning and active noise cancellation as standard equipment, using microphones and the audio system to actively suppress unwanted noise. The result is a cabin that feels quieter and more composed than the price suggests. The tech and safety picture is strong, but there is one area where the Envista draws some criticism, and it's worth addressing head-on before drawing any conclusions. Powertrain. The 2027 Buick Envista is not going to be winning any speed contest. That needs to be said clearly. Under the hood sits a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder, producing 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque, connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission, driving the front wheels. All-wheel drive isn't available on any trim level. 0 to 60 miles per hour is arriving in about 9 seconds. Calling up passing power on the highway takes a brief moment. The turbocharger needs a beat to build boost. Around town, where the overwhelming majority of buyers are actually using this vehicle, the Envista feels suitably responsive. Shifts are smooth, the throttle is predictable, and the driving demeanor leans comfortable over sporting. Think about what most people are actually doing with a vehicle like this: commuting, running errands, the occasional longer drive on the weekend. Performance headlines rarely match those real-world patterns. What matters far more is what happens at the fuel pump, and that's where this engine genuinely earns its place. The EPA is rating the Envista at 28 miles per gallon city, 32 highway, and 30 combined. On standardized highway testing, it consistently delivered on that 32 miles per gallon figure. With a 13.2-gallon tank, that translates to a highway range approaching 420 miles on a single fill. Trading modest acceleration for 30 miles per gallon combined in a premium branded crossover under $30,000. That's a genuinely smart compromise. For buyers prioritizing comfort, low running costs, and daily practicality over outright speed, the Powertrain makes perfect sense. The fuel savings accumulate over time, and the performance ceiling rarely comes into play in everyday use. The Powertrain story is solid, but there is one change coming with the 2027 model that not every buyer is going to be happy about, and it involves the price. Release date and price. The 2027 Buick Envista is heading to dealerships with a starting price of $26,500 for the base preferred trim. Sport Touring comes in at $28,000, and the top-spec Avenir starts at $31,500. There is one piece of news not everyone will welcome. Prices are going up across all 3 trims, by roughly $800 to $1,100 depending on configuration. That's never easy to accept, but by current market standards, the increases are modest, and the core vehicle with its exterior design, interior quality, technology, and powertrain is remaining completely unchanged. For buyers targeting strong value, the Sport Touring paired with the Studio Series package is worth serious attention. That combination delivers the most visually distinctive exterior in the lineup: the power moonroof, upgraded stitching, and 19-inch gloss black wheels, all while staying below Avenir pricing territory. The Avenir remains the recommended pick for buyers wanting the complete package. The leather interior, heated seats, wireless charging pad, and power liftgate are all included at $31,295, still well below what European premium brands are asking for comparable entry-level products. The 2027 Buick Envista is proving that the subcompact segment doesn't have to mean settling. The coupe-like silhouette stands out in a class full of forgettable shapes. The interior delivers a level of refinement that genuinely competes with far more expensive options. And the technology suite covers everything most buyers are actually going to use on a daily basis. The powertrain is modest, but paired with 30 miles per gallon combined and a highway range approaching 420 miles, the trade-off makes real-world sense for anyone prioritizing long-term value over straight-line speed. Add the new Studio Series package's distinctive look. Keep the starting price at $26,500, and what Buick is offering here is a genuinely difficult argument to dismiss. A premium-feeling crossover that doesn't ask you to pay a premium price to get into one. The Envista is a great crossover in many ways, but if you expect a combo of luxury and driving experience, you won't get it. If these two are your main criteria, then make sure to check out our next video about the Mazda CX-30. Elegant look, luxurious interior, and class-leading driving experience are things that make this crossover so appealing.